In this section, we will discuss order of the content in the CV. Firstly write the name and address, and then we write the contact details where employer contact us. The that's like a telephone number, that's like cell number, that's like email address where contact easily. And then write career objective. What are the objectives you want to gain during your employability. The next is educational qualification. What is the qualification required that post you applied, and what is your qualification? Are you made the minimum qualification, and the right also maximum qualification you gained against the post? Any type of awards, if you have been given, must be right in your CV. That's a plus point for you. For like you get a first position in debate competition, you get a first or second position in a marathon race, you get a position in any type of position or award during your educational career. And your educational, not only educational but also your experience, your job experience during service orders, you receive awards that are unique you to others. Also write there skill sets and personal attributes. Likewise, what you know about skills that job you applied. For example, for computer operator, what is your typing speed, what is you know about computer, their softwares, their languages, etc., for that required to the job. And experiences, also attach employment history where you can their experience. And the next one is voluntary work. If you have done any kind of voluntary work, that must be discussed in the CV. That's a plus point for you. And extraordinary activities, interests and hobbies that you gain during your career, during your previous educational and experience of jobs. And also the reference is a backbone uh, in job in get jobs uh, by CVs. Normally companies and persons are required references to get job to the persons. Next one is career objectives. What are the objectives you want to gain during jobs? Your career objective tell the employer what you are really looking for a position. And for teamwork job, uh, for like I want to work in a team where we can take on new and existing challenges, etc. And you also write your objectives during as a teamwork player, as a individual, what you want, what you know, and what you improve the company in your hands. And next one is educational qualification. The educational qualification should be written in a reverse chronological order. Likewise, first the last degree, write on the first. For example, if you are a master's, write the master's first, bachelor second, and intermediate third, and also in this order. And with percentage of marks and name of the institution also write. If you have got a good position, then write out the percentage and must be. If you got no a good position, not write the actual percentage. That a bad impression for you. If you have a third division, have a second division with low percentage, however you have a good percentage in the institution, then write a plus point for you. And the year of passing. Year of passing is another way also must be right in the CV. When you pass out, that show the actual situation about you. You are experienced or you are fresh. And next one is awards. What type of awards you gain? First is awards demonstrated you achieve to your employer. Second one is forget about any award you receive, especially metric to end. Give the award detail in the quantifiable terms. And next will be discussed we in skill test.